Hey guys, this is Tony. So I kind of want to go over a tool item that I'm using on this project. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in some recessed lights here for the bar. I'm going to put one in here, and then we're putting one in each of the two side cabinets, up in the top of those two side cabinets. So I had already wired a switch, and I ran the wire up above this ceiling here, and I just left it up in the ceiling. I taped it up so it wouldn't spark, but we did that before the dry waters. So now we've decided to put the lights in. So I went ahead and used the hole saw, and I drilled my hole, but I have to find my wire that was up in that hole. Now I can just use a wire and go up in there and feel around and try to find it, or a long time ago I had bought this. This is a rigid, I call it a borescope. I don't know what Rigid calls it. It's just called a micro CA25, but this brand is Rigid. They come in all different manufacturers. And what this is this has a camera on the end of it, and I have a screen here on this, so I can turn on my screen, and my screen will show what is on the end. So what I end up doing is you take, and it also has a light on the end of the camera. So you stick that up in the hole, and then you watch on the screen, and you look around, and you can move it around and look and find your wires. And in my case, my wire, I'll bend it a little bit more there, loop it up in the hole. There's the old blue box that we used to have the wiring. And if I move over just a little bit, right there is my wire hangs, and I can see that where it has the tape on the end of it, where I taped it up. So I taped it up so that it wouldn't short out. So that's my wire right there. And then I'll just watch when it comes out of the hole, and I'll watch which way my camera was pointed, and it was pointed basically in about that direction. And that'll tell me where to fish with the wire, which I'll just use a piece of copper wiring. Or what you can also use is this Rigid kit comes with 3 attachments. Now these attachments go onto the end. They snap onto the end. This one is a hook. So literally when the camera goes into the wall, you have a hook here that you can actually try to grab what you're looking for. Also on there is a mirror to give you even more corner turning ability to look around corners. And this one is a magnet. So you can actually put that onto the borescope, click that onto it, go up and find something. And if it's magnetic, you can just touch it and then pull it back with you, depending on what you're looking for. So I'm not gonna use this hook, because that hook's just a little small for grabbing that big of a wire. But I'll still use the camera when I stick the wire up in the hole. So I'll stick my wire up in my hole along with the camera, and the camera will help me find what I'm looking for. And it's easy, it's just that easy. So I know where my wire is there. Oh, there's the only kicker you got to remember about this is sometimes everything is backwards. You think you move left when you're actually moving right. So there's my wire I'm sticking in there.
It's very similar to a medical procedure called a colonoscopy.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like you.
I'm trying, yeah, like I said, it's back, everything's backwards. I think actually I can hit this button. There it goes, it flips my screen around.
Oh, yeah. That was
There
a
we
good
go.
point.
You
Trying to get that white one?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can get it. Out comes the polyp.
And there she was.
There she is. We got it.
Ta-da! Borescope. Actually, I had purchased this when we had a leak in the roof, and I couldn't see up through the overhang. So I was using this to go up under the overhang and looking up around the fireplace to see where I could see water coming. And this took the scope on this is about, I don't know, a good 3 feet. So I've used it quite a bit, actually. This one I think was $99 at Home Depot, and I've definitely got my money's worth out of it. So not a bad item to have around the house.